The race to create the thinnest smartphone is getting more intense, and Apple might be planning to take the lead with its rumored iPhone 17 Air. Recent leaks suggest that this upcoming device could set a new benchmark in ultra-thin smartphone design, following Techno's recent reveal of its Spark Slim, which initially claimed the title of the world's slimmest phone. However, if the leaks are accurate, Apple's latest device could be even slimmer. A leaked dummy model suggests that the iPhone 17 Air could be just 5.44 millimeters thick. To put that into perspective, Techno's Spark Slim measures 5.75 millimeters, and Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be around 5.84 millimeters. If these numbers hold true, Apple might take the crown for having the thinnest smartphone ever. However, while the phone itself may be extremely slim, the camera bump is expected to be slightly larger, which could add some depth to the device. With such a thin design, some trade-offs are inevitable. One of the biggest concerns is battery life. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a 3,000 mAh battery, which is significantly smaller compared to the batteries found in Apple's Pro models. A smaller battery usually means shorter screen on time, but Apple's A19 chip is expected to be more energy efficient, which could help balance out the power consumption. Still, it remains to be seen how well the device will perform in real-world usage. As for the display, leaks indicate that the iPhone 17 Air will feature a resolution of 1260 by 2740 pixels with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and animations. The screen size is expected to be between 6.5 and 6.7 inches, offering a balance between portability and usability. However, some advanced display technologies might be reserved for the iPhone 17 Pro models, meaning the Air version may not get the most premium features in Apple's lineup. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be powered by Apple's next-generation A19 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM and storage options starting at 256 GB, with a higher-end 512 GB option also rumored. While it may not be as powerful as the Pro models, it should still deliver smooth performance for everyday tasks, social media, and app usage. On the camera side, leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Air will have a single 48-megapixel rear camera and a 24-megapixel front camera. Unlike Apple's Pro models, which feature multiple lenses for different shooting modes, this device may focus on software-based enhancements to deliver high-quality photos. Apple has been improving its image processing technology for years, so even with a single lens setup, it's possible that the iPhone 17 Air will still produce impressive shots. Despite all these details, it's important to note that nothing has been officially confirmed. The iPhone 17 Air is not expected to be released until September, leaving plenty of time for more leaks and speculation. Apple has a long history of pushing the limits of smartphone design, and if this device becomes a reality, it could be one of the biggest changes in the iPhone lineup in years. Interestingly, Apple recently hinted at an upcoming product with the Air branding. While many believe this refers to a new MacBook Air, some are speculating that it could be a teaser for the iPhone 17 Air. If true, this would mark a new category in Apple's smartphone lineup, focusing on ultra-thin design over features typically found in Pro models. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Samsung has just launched the Galaxy F56 5G, and many are wondering if it's worth upgrading from the Galaxy F55. This new model boasts a brighter display, a faster processor, longer software support, and quicker charging. But do these upgrades make a significant difference, or is it better to stick with the A55? Let's break it down. The F56 5G keeps the premium feel with a sleek glass back and metal frame, but it's now slimmer and lighter. It also comes with an IP67 rating, ensuring protection against dust and minor water exposure. While the design remains familiar, Samsung has introduced fresh color options like Awesome Graphite and Awesome Light Blue, giving users more variety to choose from. One of the noticeable improvements is the display. The F56 5G features a slightly larger 6.7-inch screen compared to the 6.6-inch panel on the A55. Brightness levels have been increased, reaching 1,200 nits instead of 1,000 nits, making outdoor visibility even better. Both models still offer a full HD+ Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth viewing experience. Additionally, Samsung has integrated AI-powered enhancements that optimize battery life, voice recognition, and camera performance. When it comes to cameras, the rear setup remains unchanged, featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. However, the front camera sees a change. The A55 is equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the F56 5G uses a 12 megapixel sensor. Although the resolution is lower, Samsung has introduced video HDR and noise reduction technology, which could result in clearer low-light selfies and improved video recording. A major upgrade comes in software support. The A55 5G is set to receive updates for 5 years, but the F56 5G extends this to 6 years, making it a better choice for those who want long-term security updates. The processor also gets an improvement, shifting from the Exynos 1480 in the A55 to the Exynos 1580 in the F56 5G. This updated chip offers better power efficiency, AI-driven optimizations, and slightly faster performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. Battery life stays the same as both devices house a 5,000 mAh battery, providing all-day usage. However, charging speed is where the F56 5G pulls ahead. The A55 supports 25-watt fast charging, reaching 50% in about an hour, while the F56 5G supports 45-watt fast charging, which gets to 50% in just 30 minutes. This means less time waiting and more time using your phone. So should you upgrade? If you're looking for a brighter display, a more efficient processor, improved video quality with HDR and noise reduction, longer software support, and much faster charging, then the F56 5G is the better choice. What makes it even more attractive is that it's launching at a lower price than the A55 did when it first came out. That said, if you already own the A55 5G, the differences might not be big enough to justify an upgrade. If you can find the A55 at a good discount, it's still a solid choice for those who don't necessarily need the latest improvements. Overall, the F56 5G brings meaningful upgrades in performance, charging speed, and long-term software support, all at a competitive price. If you're in the market for a new phone, it's a great option to consider, but if your A55 5G is still serving you well, you might not need to upgrade just yet. Let me know in the comments which one you would pick. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Samsung has set a new benchmark in smartphone sales with its latest flagship series, the Galaxy S25. Within just 21 days of its launch on February 7, 2025, the company sold over 1 million units of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra combined. This makes it the fastest-selling Samsung smartphone lineup in South Korea, surpassing the previous record held by the Galaxy Note 10 series, which took 25 days to hit the same milestone. The speed at which the S25 series reached this figure highlights its strong demand and popularity among consumers. Several factors have contributed to this overwhelming success, with one of the biggest being the device's refined design, top-tier performance, and the introduction of Samsung's Galaxy A. Reports from Korea's ET News suggest that many buyers were drawn to the sleek aesthetics, upgraded hardware, and AI-powered features that differentiate this series from previous Samsung models. Galaxy A brings a range of enhancements, including advanced text predictions, real-time language translation, and AI-assisted photography, making everyday smartphone usage more seamless. These intelligent features have helped Samsung stay ahead in the competitive smartphone market, attracting both tech enthusiasts and casual users. Another significant reason behind the strong sales numbers is Samsung's new Galaxy AI subscription club. This upgrade program provides a more flexible way for consumers to own a premium smartphone without having to make a large upfront payment. Instead of purchasing the device outright,